ito yata yung mga local delicacy. Kamsahamnida.
Oo nga, parang sarap
Try?
dito. Can we try?
Oh?
See?
Oh!
Wow, thank you, 감사합니다. Kasi sa'yo. 감사합니다. Ang harap nito. Wow! Can we try?
Yeah. Very nice.
Very
No.
nice.
Is it very nice?
Hindi pa tao.
Yummy!
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy. I love Korea!
I love Korea too.
I love Korea!
Kamsahamnida.
감사합니다.
Balik tayo dun.
Grabe. Ang sarap naman dito. Hey, rice cake. Can we try? Try! I love Korea!
No breakfast yet.
No breakfast yet. That's why we're eating right now. VJs, you want VJs?
Big days.
Oh. Here. You try. You try, oh.
Try.
Guys, you guys are opponent.
Ayaw ko.
Oo nga, maglalaban tayo pero ewan ko ba? Ang sari eh. You think
Wala
it's
mo
time
ng
to fight?
distraction.
Wala mo ng distraction.
Okay, medyo
Nasisira kami.
marami-rami na rin yun. Ano daw? Oy!
Hoy, our flag!
Oy!
Uy!
Oy!
Andiyan ka na!
Oy! Oy!
Andiyan ka na! Wow!
Annyeong!
안녕하세요. 네, 이름은 루루입니다.
내 이름은 라이자입니다.
Yeah.
First mission, find your age mission, memories of the market. Maging food master sa Sinpo International Market.
Food
Food
master?
master?
Kaya ang mission nyo dito ay Memories of the Market. Nakikita nyo to, meron tayong 6 na cue cards dyan. Ang unang makakabili ng 3 pagkain, yun ang mananalo. Okay, ngayon, pili na kayo ng tig-isang card.
Ayan ka. Sige, tatabihan kita, oh. Ayan ka. Sige, tatabihan kita, oh.
Kwabegi?
Garakiyot?
Okay, dahil hanapin nyo yan, ito yung pera at pabilisan kayo, hanapin nyo yan at balik nyo dito. Okay, runners?
Ready?
Go!
Let's go, let's go!
Kaya ito.
Garakiyot! Garakiyot! Excuse me, do you know what's this? Garakiyot? No. No. 감사합니다. Hello. 안녕하세요. You know what's this? 가락예옷.
가락이요? 가락이요?
How do you say this? Garakiyot?
I don't understand it.
Yeah, it's a kind of food. It's a kind of food here inside this market. So do you know where to find this?
Oh my god.
You don't know this?
Yeah. Snack.
Yeah, kind of. Or it's around here, the area.
Excuse me, Kwabegi? Kwabegi? Oh, where? Where? Ah. Excuse me, what's Kwabegi?
Kwabegi.
Ah, here! Ah, here! Oh, one.
Three.
Oh, three. Okay, thank you. Yay! Kwabegi! Hello!
See? Let's
Go,
check
Peggy.
kung tama. Let's check kung tama. Correct! Okay, one more. Correct! Okay, one more. Okay, one more. Okay, go.
Di ko alam kung ano to. Dahil even sila, hindi po nila naintindihan kung what's garakiyot. Yeah. Yeah. What?
Go to...
Where? Ah, this. This girl. 감사합니다. Karak yun. Karak yun. Karak yun. Yeah. Here? Here too? Yeah.
Ayun, bumibili ako eh.
Bibili ka ba? Patikim naman ako niyan. Ano kayo, Bram?
Oo, sarap. No.
This is garak yun.
That's okay. Ah, 15! Ah, so very expensive. Okay.
Is this right? Garak yun?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. How much for this one?
Okay, okay. Oh, okay. Nang 감사합니다.
I'll give you something. Okay? Okay? For this one. Okay.
Just keep running, man!
Hindi ko alam kung tama yan.
Ruru first. Okay, Ruru. Check.
Hinulaan ko lang. No?
What's this? Sikie.
Wrong. Okay.
Sayang yung pera ko. 10,000 mo yun.
Dak gangjong. Dak gangjong.
Hello. What's sikie? Sikie? Here? Oh, sikie. Okay. Sikie, one? Yes. How much? Okay. Oh, thank you. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Thank you. Sana tama na to. Sige.
Sige.
Yes? Yes! Yes? Yes! Okay.
Ayan, si Kie. Sarap? Sarap?
Ang sarap. Parang gulaman. Parang siyang gulaman. Oh, ayan,
Yummy.
may panula ka na.
Thank you guys.
Sige.
감사합니다.
Okay, one more. Okay.
Gim mali twi gim.
Okay.
Gim mali twi gim. Okay. Excuse me. Gim mali twi gim. Gim mali twi gim. Straight? And then left? Okay, thank you. 감사합니다.
Dakgangjong. Dakgangjong. Do you know what's this? Dakgangjong? Oh, what's that?
Go straight.
There? Right side, left side?
Right.
Right side. Straight. Okay. 감사합니다. Excuse me. Do you know Dakgangjong? Yeah. Here? Blue? Okay, 감사합니다. Excuse me. Do you know Dakgangjong? Yeah, is this? This one. Dakgangjong. Okay. 감사합니다.
Excuse me. Gim mali twi gim.
빈말이 튀김. 몇 개?
One? Yes. Is that... nga ba to?
Kailangan mabilis to. Is this mine? No, this one. Okay. Can I have mine? Guys, pinapatikim pa nila ako pero kailangan ko na magmadali dahil nandito na si Glyza.
Yes. Very warm. It's okay. I need to take it out. So hot. Okay. Okay. Bilis.
But can you make it faster because Glyza's here and I need to give the dak gamjong there. Gly, sarap yan.
Hindi ko pa, mainit eh.
Tikman mo. Halika, gusto mo?
Ano yan?
Dak gamjong.
Dak gamjong.
Chill na chill ako dito. Oh, tikman mo.
Mainit ba?
Mainit, konti lang. Dak gamjong. Ano yan, ano yan?
Di
Mainit din?
tikim.
Mainit?
Mainit, mainit.
Ganito na lang kaya tayo.
Okay. Oh, thank you. 감사합니다. Let's go.
Tumatakbo na si Glyza. BJ, not tired? You okay?
Yes! Yes!
Okay.
Gimali tigim. Yes? Correct? Correct?
Correct! Dahil dyan, Glyza, ikaw ang nanalo sa mission na ito. Mananalo ka ng 13 years. Tingnan natin. Pero tingnan natin kung
Pero
tama si
masaya.
Ruro.
Ako nag-enjoy naman ako eh.
Tama ka, Ruro, kaso nauna si Glyza. Dahil dyan, si Glyza ang nanalo ng 13 years.
Okay lang.
But it's okay. At least we had fun.